Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I will show you guys that how to connect the data with AIV. So let's see and let's start the video. So first of all we have to download the dataset from any public sources or from anywhere you want like data.government.com or kaggle.com or etc. I mostly prefer Kaggle. If you guys need to download the data from any other source you can as per your requirements. So this is the home page of Kaggle. First of all, you have to create a Kaggle account. If you don't, then create it first. Then only you can download anything from here free of cost. So as you can see, that there's no data sets. You can click on it and it shows multiple types of data, uh, and numerous types of data. As per your requirement, you can select one of them. It shows all datasets, compare size datasets, education datasets, classification datasets, etc. You can search as per your requirements. So I'll search effects of video game. Here it is. So here is the dataset. You can read it about the dataset as well, and you can see the columns that are included in the datasets, like the timestamp, what's your age, gender, class, city, result, type of family, what type of video game you play. It shows all the information of the datasets, and by simply clicking here, you can easily download it like this. So here it is downloaded. I have already downloaded. Okay, I have downloaded once again. Now let's jump to the AIV and see how we get connected with this dataset. So as you can see on the left hand side, the hamburger menu, expand it, and here is the different columns. You directly jump on the document section and click on it, and then report, open it, reports, click on it, reports, wait for a while. Now on the footer side you can see the option upload. Click on the upload, and here you have to upload the dataset that you have downloaded, because first of all we have to upload the dataset to the AIV to work on it. Put the dataset. The datasets effects of video game. Here it is. You have to click on the upload, create new, click on the upload, and successfully uploaded. Okay. Now again go to the hamburger menu, and now expand this master data section and click on the dataset. Now we have to create this dataset. I have already created it. You can see the effects of video game. I have already created the dataset, but here on the footer side you can see create dataset. Click on create dataset. Select existing files. From the source you have to select on the reports, and here also it shows what the source of your file, either it is CSV, JSON or Excel file. Our file is of CSV, so we have selected CSV. Select the type of data that you have uploaded for before, and also give a specified name according to your dataset, like effects of video game or any other as per your requirement. You can see I have already created a dataset on it, but I'll show it again, and give a specified name according to your data that you have created or uploaded. Now just create on the dataset and it will automatically create and directly shows here like this one, and it will directly shows here the data on the datasets columns here. I've also created the dashboard on it that we will see in our next video. So if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe our channel, and please drop down a comment as well and share the video also. Thank you for watching.